Hi everybody, welcome to this new lesson of the video series Arabic Grammar. In this lesson, inshallah, we're gonna learn about dual nouns in the Arabic language. So let's go. Regarding number, Arabic nouns are three categories: singular, mufradun, 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 dual, muthanna, 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 and plural, جمع, جمع, جمع. To change a singular noun to a dual, we look at the ending of the singular noun. For nouns with consonant ending, we directly apply the dual rule. The dual rule depends on the grammatical case of the noun into a sentence. In the nominative case, حالة الرفع, حالة الرفع, the dual is formed by adding to the singular noun the suffix فتحة on the last letter and then alif, and after that noun with kasra. In the accusative case, حالة النصب, حالة النصب, and genitive case, حالة الجر, حالة الجر, the dual is formed by adding to the singular noun the suffix فتحة on the last letter and ya with sukun, and after that noon with kasra. Let's see how we can do this. I will start with the nominative case. Take the example of the word Muslim, Muslim, which means a Muslim male. The singular in the nominative case is Muslimun, 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 and to form the dual, we will take our noun without any vowel at the end, and then we'll append the dual suffix to the end. That means we'll put فتحة, فتحة on mim, mim letter, and after that we append alif, alif, and then noon, noon with kasra. So we get muslimani, 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 two Muslim males. For the accusative and genitive cases, the singular in the accusative case is musliman, 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 and muslimin, muslimin, muslimin in genitive case. To form the dual, we will take again the noun Muslim without any vowel at the end, and then we append the dual suffix, so we get muslimaini, muslimaini, muslimaini. Now, for other nouns with some specific endings, we have to make one change at the ending before applying the dual rule. The first case we will study is about nouns ending in ta marbuta, ta marbuta, ta marbuta. Take the example of the word muslima, 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 a Muslim female. The singular in the nominative case is muslimatun, muslimatun, muslimatun. In the accusative case, we say muslimatan, 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 and muslimatin, muslimatin in the genitive case. Now let's move to the dual. When a noun ends in ta marbuta, this ta marbuta changes to ta mabsuta, ta mabsuta, and then the suffix is appended, so we get muslimatani, muslimatani, muslimatani in the nominative case, and مسلمتين 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 in the accusative and genitive cases. The second case is about trilateral nouns ending in Alif. Let's take the example of عصا عصا عصا, which means a button. When a noun ends in Alif, the indefinite singular will always be voweled with فتحة تنوين in all cases. This فتحة تنوين is put at the letter that is before Alif. So we will have عصا 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 in all the three cases: nominative, accusative, and genitive. To form the dual, Alif changes to waw, and then the dual suffix is appended, so we get عصواني 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 in the nominative case, and عصوين 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 in the accusative and genitive cases. The third case is when a trilateral noun ends in Alif maqsurah. Alif maqsurah. Let's take the example of the word fata, fata, which means a boy. When a noun ends in Alif maqsurah, the indefinite singular will always be voweled with فتحة تنوين in all cases. This فتحة تنوين is put at the letter that is before Alif maqsurah. So we will have فتن 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 in all three cases: nominative, accusative, and genitive. To form the dual, Alif maqsurah changes to ya, ya, and then the dual suffix is appended, so we get فتيان 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 in the nominative case, and فتيين 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 in the accusative and genitive cases. Another case is when we have at least a four-lettered noun ending in normal alif or alif maqsurah. Take the example of the word مستشفى مستشفى مستشفى, which means a hospital. The singular in the three cases is مستشفى مستشفى مستشفى. To form the dual, we change the ending to ya, ya, and then we append the dual suffix, so we get مستشفيان 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 in the nominative case, and مستشفيين 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 in the accusative and genitive cases. The last case is about a noun ending in alif mamduda, alif mamduda. Here we will have two ways depending on the gender. Let's take first the example of a feminine noun ending in alif mamduda. Take the example of the word حسناء حسناء حسناء, which means a girl. The singular in the nominative case is حسناء حسناء حسناء. In the accusative case is حسناء حسناء حسناء, and حسناء حسناء, حسناء. In the genitive case, to form the dual, Hamza, Hamza at the end changes to waw, 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 and then the dual suffix is appended. So we get حسناواني, حسناواني, حسناواني in the nominative case, and حسناوين, حسناوين, حسناوين in the accusative and genitive cases. If the noun is masculine, we will just add the dual suffix to the end. Take for example the word وعاء, 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 which is a masculine noun even if it has the feminine ending Alif mamduda. The singular in the nominative case is وعاء, وعاء, وعاء. In the accusative case is وعاء, 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 and وعاء, وعاء, وعاء in the genitive case. As we said, when we have a singular masculine noun ending in Alif mamduda, to get the dual we just append the dual suffix. So we get وعاءان, وعاءان, وعاءان in the nominative case, and وعاءين, وعاءين, وعاءين in the accusative and genitive cases. When the dual is the first part of the possessive form, we drop the letter noun, noun from the dual suffixes. Take for example the word طالب, طالب, which means a male student. The singular in the nominative case is طالب, طالب, طالب. In the accusative case is طالبا, 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 and in the genitive case is طالب, طالب, طالب. The dual in the nominative case is طالبان, 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 and طالبين, طالبين, طالبين in the accusative and genitive cases. The dual in belonging form is طالبا, طالبا in the nominative case. As you can see, we have dropped the letter noun, noun. For accusative and genitive cases, we have طالبي, طالبي, طالبي. Let's say this in an example. طالبا العلوم, طالبا العلوم, طالب العلوم, طالب العلوم. The two students of sciences, thus in the nominative case, and طالبي العلوم, طالبي العلوم, طالبي العلوم, طالبي العلوم in the accusative and genitive cases. I will give you 3 exercises that you have to do in the comments below, and inshallah I will correct your wrong answers. These are the 3 exercises. Try to explain your answers as possible as you can. This is all for this lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. Do not forget to like the video if you found it good, and subscribe if this the first time you watch one of my videos. See you in a new lesson inshallah. مع السلامة.